Welcome to my new intro.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make.
Guys, welcome to Vlogmas 22. So guys, if you're new to my channel, please remember to subscribe. I'm super tired. I've been all night last night. I'm actually taking my grandmother to the doctor. So stay tuned. I'm gonna have something to eat first though, but I'm fully dressed. But I made porridge early this morning, after 4, so I'm gonna have some of that now. So this, guys, I'm gonna have some porridge and bread. Who like porridge and bread? How do you eat your porridge and bread? So the porridge of people. I'm gonna have my bread here. Guys, I like to do this to the bread. I like to dip it like this. It tastes real good. It tastes delicious. And then something granny love, you know. Granny like good food. Where granny there? People, what's your plan for the Christmas? This is so good. I'm gonna get granny porridge. But it's nice, so granny.
And
How would I fly a come down?
already elder, me means young people not be drinking.
Old people not for drinking. Can you say young people? So why?
I say it make your body more.
You feel for man, I feel for woman.
Feel.
So when I drink oats,
You are one. You are one.
I'm getting some more. Now say people say oats and Guinness.
Now they say, and it make you pregnant quick.
I don't know why I get pregnant. But you know, you can't get pregnant, grandmother, so we're gonna like it. That was nice. That was nice with milk. Porridge are nice, but
You know, mix the game.
grandmother have a bad habit. I don't want she hear me. So whenever they go nowhere, she have to want pee-pee. Granny! Me out of the car. Lock the door. Hold on. Yeah, come, hurry up. She know I'm left her. So guys, I am at the doctor. Look, it's actually empty because they know they're not crowd up the doctor. This is not the hospital. This is like private doctor. Yes, people. So why my mask messed up? Yes guys, remember this is Vlogmas Day 22. Forget about that, yeah man. Vlogmas Day 22. So let's stay.
There you go. Yes, ma'am. May I please get your data?
This guys, I went to the doctor and then I went different room. Them decorate the place real nice. That's all I can see. Outside decorate good. I like it. And if they're no gift for give me, we might be lucky. Home, I just cleared the mail. You know. It's obvious just to see you, baby. It's obvious, you know. Guys, I am hungry, so I'm going to make 4 eggs to eat, guys. You know, yeah. It's cold outside, very cold. My ear is scratching me. Why do I have to say that on camera? Because I'm afraid. So yes, guys, I am home and I'm about to eat. Okay, juice. bread. Egg. I'm gonna dip it some more. Egg.
They here for you.
What's your for now? An egg. Granny, take time with the fish, Granny.
Nice.
I can't show no Granny, but Granny have mashed up fish over there. No, no fish, I eat egg. I love egg. I say so much egg, not good enough. So them say. Feel like me I do a mukbang. I know I'm not gonna laugh when I watch this. Say, why Korea go down in it? It's pineapple, passion, and ginger juice. Ooh. I'm going to drink the almond milk, then we decide to eggnog. Then I say, no, sir, egg. Egg and them, they mix sure they not go work.
I have egg. You want me? Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna put that place. Granny said she not eat nothing more for Christmas, she good. Nothing fancy for Christmas, she good. So what eat, she eat. That's why Granny and I'm for Christmas. Y'all get big food, then I go to church, wait. When I come back from church, you not go hungry? I have Sabbath. I have chicken and chicken taste good. Wow.
You know one cough till a guy doctor, you know. Nobody no cough again. You know, by the time we got a great grandmother. And you man,
Stop it.
then the COVID-19 come in. I wonder if him bring COVID come here.
If the Jamaica, they actually pop fight.
I'm not half up now. So, Grady, where's the days?
But somebody can't stay so.
You not people cover your mouth.
If you know how man, you know how managers must know so you have to cover your mouth.
Cover your mouth, man.
I was happy if you can't cover your mouth, then you mean nothing in bed.
So right from time, COVID then come on. If I this COVID time, Lord Jesus, then I lick out him backside in the hospital.
You put that around.
Mr. I feel your grandmother. The man go on one train. But the train pull up and I see it. You know the man do? The man start cough. Everybody get up off of their seat, run go under the so. They say as they get up, the man just sit down. The people look at the man say, what? The man use the head pad them and get their seat. Dumb then dumb. I can see somebody cough and run the good on so.
Right, if we catch you, we'll catch you. Enough people stay there, I don't go nowhere and get you.
Like I would just have to because you have to when then go.
Guys, that's the end of Vlogmas day 22. Guys, as you can see, I am painting. My full of paint. My well paint up here. Yeah, I am painting. So bye guys, big up on yourself. Sorry for posting so late. Go paint all over me, face and everywhere. Yeah, yeah, but I'm doing a good job. I'm almost finished, guys. I'm almost finished. The next thing I have to do is change the curtain rods because I buy some newer kinds curtain rods, and then the curtain them I got change and stuff. You know, Christmas morning. Everything I change up. You know, yeah. For Christmas or for the New Year's. If I don't finish for Christmas, I'm gonna finish for New Year's because I still have to go to the store and get some more stuff. I'm in a light rush, guys. That's why I mostly shop online. Reason being, I mean, I like the rush. Like, I don't like to go to the store. You know, the pull and tag. I say Black Friday. I don't do Black Friday. I don't. I can't take the tag and wear business. I rather to go online and shop. I mostly buy my shop. 80% of stuff that I have, I buy online. Sometimes I not even go to the store for food. That's how much. We can go right out the store to get food. I'm ready to order it online. Yeah, so just go and big up on yourself, people. Thank you for making it live with Kurgan. Bye guys. I'm out.